Today we are going to learn how to calculate variance and standard deviation. Variance is the spread of data when compared to the mean. It can be calculated by the sum of the data, subtract the mean squared all over the number of data, or the sum of f multiplied by x squared all over the sum of f minus the mean squared. Standard deviation is found by finding the square root of the variance. Example 1. Calculate the variance and the standard deviation of the following data. So the mean is 0.9. If you want to know how to calculate mean, click the video on the top right hand corner. Right, you need to find the sum of the data minus the mean squared. So it will be 0.9 minus 0.9 squared, 0.3 minus 0.9 squared, etc. Add it up, we get 1.5. So 1.5 divided by the number of data, which is 6, which will give you 0.25. Standard deviation, which is the square root of 0.25, which will give you 0.5. Example 2. The number of goals scored by a football team over a 40-game period is given by the table below. So the mean is 2.925. So we are going to calculate the variance, which is the sum of the frequency multiplied by the data squared. So it will be 3 multiplied by 0 squared plus 7 multiplied by 1 squared, etc. And we get 443. So we divide that by the number of data, which is 40, minus the mean squared, which is 2.925 squared. And we will get 2.519 goals. And the standard deviation is the square root of 2.519, which is 1.587 goals. Example 3. The frequency table below shows the height of 25 children. So first, we find the mean by calculating the midpoint. So the mean is 154. Then we find f multiplied by x squared. The table shows, and the sum of it, 593,750. That by the sum of the frequency, which is 25, and minus that by the mean squared. So it would be 23,750 minus 23,716, we get 34. And the standard deviation is the square root of 34, which is 5.83.